Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of exercise 7.2. Question number first. Integral of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Now we can write 1 upon 1 plus x square d1 square 2x dx. This function derivative of 1 plus x square. So reducing form, let 1 plus x square is equal to let t. So now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 1 0 and derivative of x square 2x is equal to dt upon dx. So now 2x dx is equal to dt. Now 1 plus x square is equal to 2. Put here and 2x dx is equal to write dt. Now 1 upon t and dt. So 1 upon t, since 1 upon integration of 1 upon x dx is equal to log mod of x. Also we can write this log mod of t plus c, and also log in change variable t 1 plus x square plus c. Integration of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. By substitution method we can solve. So 1 plus x square का डेरिवेटिव जो है 2x होता है. नाउ पुट, इसलिए 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर को हम t मान लेते हैं. t मान करके इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करते हैं x के रिस्पेक्ट. सो फाइंड 2x dx इज इक्वल टू dt. So 1 upon 1 plus x square is equal to 1 plus x square is equal to, now let t to 1 upon t, and 2x dx is equal to t. Now put dt. We know that integration of 1 upon x dx is equal to log x. So 1 upon t integration dt is equal to log t plus c. So now change into x variable, t is equal to 1 plus x square. So now put log 1 plus x square plus c. This is answer. Now log x, derivative of log x 1 upon x. So now by substitution method we can write integration log x square into 1 upon x dx. So now 1 upon x, so derivative of log x is equal to 1 upon x. So put log x is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x. Now derivative of log x 1 upon x is equal to dt upon dx, or 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. Now this value and this put here, so we can write t square and this is dt. This is dt. So now integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now this use, so t की power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 and plus c arbitrary constant added. So t की power 3 upon 3 plus c. Also we can write 1 upon 3 and t value put here log x power 3 plus c. This is answer of given integration. So 1 upon integration of log x upon x dx. So 1 upon x, so derivative of log x, derivative of log x 1 upon x. This is by substitution log x is equal to, now let log x is equal to 2 derivative with respect to x. So 1 upon log x 1 upon x is equal to dt upon dx. We can write 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. So now put here, so log x t square and dt 1 upon x dx. So dt, and now integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So t की power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c and t की power 3 upon 3 plus c is equal to 1 upon 3. Now t variable change log x, so log x power 3 plus c. This is answer. Question number 3, integral of 1 upon x plus x log x dx. So we can write 1 upon x common out 1 plus log x dx. So also we can write integral of 1 upon log 1 plus log x and also 1 upon x dx. Now log x derivative of log x 1 upon x dx. Now let 1 plus log x is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of log x 1 upon x is equal to dt upon dx. So now we can write 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. So we can write 1 upon 1 plus log x t 1 upon t and you can write this dt. So 1 upon t is equal to log t mod of plus c. So in variable change in x form, so log in bracket 1 plus log x mod of plus c. This is answer. Now we can write integral of sine cos x and into sin x dx. So derivative of cos sin x. So put let cos x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of cos x minus sin x is equal to dt upon dx. Now this is sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So now we can write sin t into sin x dx is equal to dt minus. So minus common out, integration of sin t dt. So integration sin t minus cos t and plus c arbitrary. So minus minus plus cot t plus c. So cos t. So cos t now change in variable cos x plus c. So t variable cos x, now replace cos x plus c. This is answer. Question number 5. Also we can solve another form. So now multiply by 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 divide and multiply 2 sin ax plus b into cos ax b is equal to dt. So now let ax plus b is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of x with respect to x 1 and constant 0 is equal to dt upon dx. So a dx is equal to dt and dx is equal to 1 upon a dt. So now here this 1 upon 2 integration 2 sin t cos t and 1 upon a dt. So 1 upon a common out, 1 upon 2a. Integration of 2 sin x cos 2x or sin 2x sin 2t dt. 2 sin t cos t formula sin 2t. Now differentiate this sign and 2t again let 2t is equal to u. So differentiate with respect to t. So now 2 1 and du upon dt. So dt is equal to 1 upon 2 du. So now here 1 upon 2a integration sin u 1 upon 2 du. So 1 upon 2 common out, 1 upon 4a and integration sin u du. So du is equal to 1 upon 4a and sin integral of sin u minus cos u plus c, and also we can solve this question minus 1 upon 4a 1 upon 4a cos u plus c. So now change into u t. So minus 1 upon 4a cos 2t plus c. Also value t change. So 1 upon minus 1 upon 4a cos 2 ax plus b plus c minus 1 upon 4a cos 2ax plus 2b plus c. This is answer of given question number 5. So question number 6, integration dx. So now ax plus b, let ax plus b is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. Now derivative of x 1 and plus constant 0 is equal to dt upon dx. So a dx is equal to dt and dx is equal to 1 upon a dt. And now put here, so root t ax plus b t and dx is equal to 1 upon a dt. So 1 upon a common out and integration t की power 1 by 2 dt. So also we can write this formula. So t की power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus arbitrary constant c. So 1 upon a, so t की power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So 2 upon 3a t की power 3 by 2 plus c. Also change into variable x. So 2 upon 3a t ax plus b की power 3 by 2 plus c. This is answer. Question number 7, integral of x root x plus 2 dx. So this not derivative of this function, so also change in let by substitution x plus 2, let x plus 2 is equal to t. Also we can write 2 is equal to x is equal to t minus 2 and differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of x dx 1 is equal to derivative this dt upon dx derivative of constant 0. So dx is equal to dt. So now put here x is equal to t minus 2 in this place. So x t minus 2 and root x plus 2 is equal to t. So t dx is equal to dt. So dt. Now change another variable t. So now let x plus 2 is equal to t and also can write x is equal to t minus 2 differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of x1 and t dt upon dx and derivative of constant 0. So now we can write dx is equal to dt. So now in replace x is equal to t minus 2 in place of this, and x plus 2 is equal to t. Now this, and also you can write t minus 2 and t की power 1 by 2 dt. t की power 1 by 2 multiply in this bracket we get t into t की power 1 by 2 minus 2 into t की power 1 by 2 dt. Also t की power 1 and 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 base same power should be added, and minus 2 t की power 1 by 2 dt. So also you can write t की power 3 by 2 minus 2 t की power 1 by 2 dt. So also you can write integral of t की power 3 by 2 dt minus 2 integral of t की power 1 by 2 dt. And we get by calculate the integral t की power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 and minus 2 t की power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So t की power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 minus 2 2 1 3 t की power 3 by 2 3 by 2 plus c, and also can write 2 upon 5 t की power 5 by 2 minus 2 reverse to 2 into 2 4 upon 3 t की power 3 by 2 plus c, and t replace variable x plus 2. So 2 upon 5 and let x plus 2 is equal to t put. So this put here says x plus 2 power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 and x plus 2 power 3 by 2 plus c. This is answer of given question. Question number 8. Integral of x root 1 plus 2x square dx. So let 1 plus 2x square is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 1 0 and 2 and 2x. Derivative of x square 2x is equal to dt upon dx. So now for x dx is equal to dt. So x dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. So now x dx 1 upon 4 dt. Now put here. So integration x dx and root 1 plus 2x square t in place t, and x dx is equal to 1 upon 4 dt. So 1 upon 4 integral t की power 1 by 2 dt, and also 1 upon 4 t integration of 1 upon 4 t की power 1 by 2 plus 2 t की power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 1/4, so t की पावर 3/2 upon 3/2 plus c. So also we can write 2/4 into 3 and t की पावर 3/2 plus c, and 2 and 1/6 t की पावर 3/2 plus c. So 1/6 and t, since let t 1 plus 2x square 1 plus 2x square power 3/2 plus c. This is answer. Question number 9. Integral of 4x plus 2 root x square plus x plus 1. Now let x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of x square 2x and derivative of x 1 and derivative of constant 1 0 is equal to t d upon dx. Now 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. Now multiply by 2 both sides. So 4x plus 2 dx is equal to 2 dt. And multiply by 2 both side. So 4x2 dx is equal to 2 dt. So now we can change this. So integration root and this t, so t and 4x plus 2 dx is equal to 2 dt. So 2 common out, integration 2 common out, and t की power 1/2 dt. So now also can write 2 and t की power 1/2 plus 1 upon 1/2 plus 1 plus c. So 2 and t की power 3/2 or 3/2 plus c. So 2 into 2 upon 3 and t की power 3/2 plus c, and 4 upon 3 t की power 3/2 plus c. So 4 upon 3 and t की power 3/2 t in bracket x square plus x plus 1 power 3/2 plus c. This is answer. Now we can write in the form. So 1 upon, we can write root x into root x and minus root x dx. So integration 1 upon root x in bracket root x minus 1, so dx. And now put, let root x minus 1 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So we can also write x power 1/2 minus 1 is equal to t. So derivative of x power 1/2, so 1/2 and x power minus 1/2 or 1/2 minus 1 and minus derivative of 1 constant dt upon dx. So 1 upon 2 x power minus 1 by 2 is equal to dt upon dx. So also we can write to this and this multiply, so 1 upon root x dx is equal to 2 dt. So now replace 1 upon root x dx, so 2 dt, and also root x minus 1, so now 1 upon root x minus 1 is equal to t. So t and 1 upon root x dx is equal to 2 dt. So now to common out integration 1 upon t dt. So 1 upon t dt integration log mod of t plus constant arbitrary c, and also we can write 2 log mod of root x minus 1 plus c. This is answer. Integral of x upon root x plus 4 dx. So now change into another form. So x plus 4, so x plus 4 minus 4 upon root x plus 4. So adding in this form we makes x, so plus 4 minus 4 adding 4 subtracting, so x 4 minus 4. Now we can change by part. So x plus 4 upon root x plus 4 and minus 4 upon x plus 4. Now separating by LCM, x plus 4, this and this. So now we can write x plus 4 power 1 upon x plus 4 power 1 by 2, and minus also we can write, so 4 into upon x plus 4 power 1 by 2, and dx and also dx. So also can be write x plus 4 की power 1 minus 1 by 2 and 4 x plus 4 की power 1 by 2 dx. So also we can write x plus 4 power 1 by 2 dx and 4 integration of x plus 4 power 1 by 2 dx. So now put x plus 4 is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of x 1 constant 0 is equal to dt upon dx. So dx is equal to dt, and also we can write integration t की power 1 by 2 dt and minus 4 integral of t की power 1 by 2 dt. So this is This is no denominator, so minus and also minus sign. Integration of t की पावर 1/2 dt. So t की पावर 1/2 plus 1 upon 1/2 plus 1, and for t की पावर, this is minus, so minus 1/2 plus 1 upon minus 1/2 plus 1 and arbitrary constant c. So t की पावर 3/2 upon 3/2 minus 4 and t की पावर 1/2 upon 1/2 plus c. And also we can write 2 upon 3 t की पावर 3/2 minus 4 into 2 t की पावर 1/2 plus c. So also we can write this pattern. So 2 upon 3 t की पावर 3/2 and minus 8 t की पावर 1/2 plus c. So now put t is equal to x plus 4. So 2 upon 3 x plus 4 power 3/2 minus 8 x plus 4 1/2 plus c. Also can write 2/3 x plus 4 3/2 minus 8 square root x plus 4 plus c. This is answer. Question number 12. Integral of x power 3 minus 1 1/3 x power 5 dx. Now change in another form x power 3 minus 1 power 1/3 and change into another form x power 3 into x power 2 dx. So x minus x power 3 minus 1 derivative of this. So let x power 3 minus 1 is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x, so we get x power 3 derivative 3x square and constant 0 is equal to dt upon dx. So 3x square dx is equal to dt, or x square dx is equal to 1/3 dt. Now replace this value, and also we can write x cube is equal to t plus 1 also. So change in x cube minus 1 is equal to t power 1/3, and also x power 3 is equal to t plus 1 by this. So in place of t plus 1, and also x square dx is equal to 1/3 dt. So now 1/3 common out, integral of this and multiply by this in this. So t की पावर 1/3 into t की पावर 1 plus t की पावर 1/3 and dt. So 1/3 integral of t की पावर 1/3 plus 1 and plus t की पावर 1/3 dt. So also 1 upon 3 integral of t की power 4/3 and dt plus integral of t की power 1/3 dt. So now we calculate this. So we get 1/3 and integral of t की power 4/3 we can write t की power 4/3 plus 1 upon 4/3 plus 1 and plus also t की power 1/3 plus 1 upon 1/3 plus 1 plus c. Also we can write t की power 7/3 plus t की power 4/3 plus c. And also we can write this multiply. So 1/3 and 3/7 t की power 7/3 and plus 1/3 into 3/4. So t की power 4/3 plus c. So 3 cancel out and 3 cancel out. 1/7 t की power 7/3 plus 4/1/4 t की power 4/3 plus c. And now change this. So 1/7 t x power 3 minus 1 7/3 plus 1/4 x power 3 minus 1 power 4/3 plus c. This is answer of given question. Question number 13. Integral of x square upon 2 plus 3x power 3 का whole square dx. So now put 2x plus 3x power 3 is equal to t. So now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 2 0 and 3 derivative of x power 3 3x power 2 is equal to dt upon dx. And now 9x square dx is equal to dt. So x square dx is equal to 1/9 dt. So now also can be write in form integral 1/2 plus 3x power q is equal to t. So 1/t square and x square dx. So 1/9 dt. And also we can write integral 1/9 and t की power minus 2 dt. Also change 1/9 integral t 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 plus c. So also 1/9 t की power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c is equal to 1 minus 1/9 1/t plus c. So minus 1/9 and 1 upon t for 2 plus 3 x square x cube and plus c. This question also can be write integral of 1 upon 2 plus 3x power 3 power 3 into x square dx. So now put 2 plus 3x power 3 is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 2 0 plus 3 and derivative of x power 3 3x square is equal to dt upon dx. So 339x square dx is equal to dt. Also x square dx is equal to 1 upon 9 dt. So now change in this 1 upon 2 plus 3x power 3 is equal to 1 upon t की power 3 and x square dx 1 upon 9 dt. So 1 upon 9 integral t की power minus 3 dt. So 1 upon 9 t की power minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So also we can write 1 upon 9 t की power minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c. So minus 1 upon 18 1 upon t square plus c. So minus 1 upon 18 1 upon t 2 plus 3 x power 3 whole square plus c. This is answer question number 13. Integral of 1 upon x in bracket log x power m dx also can be write 1 upon log x power m into 1 upon x dx. Now put log x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. So 1 upon x is equal to dt upon dx. Also can be write 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. So now 1 upon log x is equal to t की power m and also 1 upon x dx is equal to dt or integral of t की power minus m dt. So integral of calculate this t की power minus m plus 1 upon minus m plus 1 plus c. And since this, so t की power 1 minus m upon 1 minus m plus c. So replace t log x. So log x power 1 minus m upon 1 minus m plus c. This answer. Now in question number 50, integral of x upon 9 minus 4x square dx. So also we can write 1 upon 9 minus 4x square into x dx. Now put 9 minus 4x is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 9 0 minus 4 derivative of x square 2x and dt upon dx. Also minus 8 x dx is equal to dt. So x dx is equal to minus 1 upon 8 dt. So now integral of 1 upon 9 minus 4x square is equal to t and x dx minus 1 upon 8 dt. So minus 1 upon 8 common out and integral of 1 upon t dt. So minus 1 upon 8 1 upon t dt integral log mod of t plus c, and also minus 1 upon 8 and log t replace in form x 9 minus 4 x square and plus c. This is answer. Integral of e की power 2x plus 3 dx. Now put 2x plus 3 is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 2 derivative of x 1 and derivative of 3 0 is equal to dt upon dx, and also can be write 2 dx is equal to dt and dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. And now we can write e की power 2x plus 3 is equal to t and dx is equal to 1 upon 2 dt in place. So also can be write 1 upon 2 integral e की power t dt and 1 upon 2 integral of e की power t plus arbitrary constant c 1 upon 2 replace t in form x variable e की power 2x plus 3 and arbitrary constant c. This is answer. Integral of x upon e की power x square dx. We can write e की power minus x square x dx. Now put let minus x square is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. Minus derivative of x square 2x is equal to dt upon dx. So x dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. So now replace this e की power minus x square, so e की power t and x dx minus 1 by 2 dt. Also change minus 1 upon 2 integral e की power t dt minus 1 upon 2 e की power t plus c and minus 1 upon 2 e power, so minus x square plus c. This is answer. Integration of e की power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. So also we can write integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square and e की पावर r e की पावर tan इनवर्स x 1/1 plus x square dx. So now let tan inverse x is equal to t differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of tan inverse x 1/1 plus x square is equal to dt upon dx. So 1/1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. So now put here integral of e की power tan inverse t and also this dt, and integral of e की power t plus c. So e की power t and t replace in variable x. So tan inverse x plus c. This is answer of given question. That's all.